Hi everyone! Good evening. Happy Monday sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Luna Tarot. Again, this is Maria, ang iyong intuitive tarot reader. So, kamusta kayo? Kamusta sa aking mga kababayan? Hello, hi sa inyong lahat. Okay? So, um, ngayon, medyo lalaliman natin or we are going to dive deeper. Okay? Para to sa ating mga person na they are in a twin flame journey. Okay? Kung ikaw ay isa sa naniniwala na you have a twin flame or a specific connection is a twin flame. Okay? So this is a reading na para sa iyo. So titingnan natin ano ba yung messages sa iyo nung twin flame mo. This is a twin flame in separation, no contact, okay? Or no closure, kung pwedeng ganon, no closure. Or sabihin na nating wala kayong maayos na usapan. Nitong person na to, na sa tingin mo ay twin flame mo. Okay? So again, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Marami sa atin ang hindi makaka-resonate dito and okay lang. Okay? For as much as sa tingin mo na itong reading na to is sa tingin mo is tinatawag ka na panoorin, okay, baka merong messages sa'yo dito. Okay? So again, this is a pick a card reading. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. We're going to reveal yung ating tatlong messages for pile number 1 and pile number 2. And then I will going to use different decks, tarot card and oracle deck para dito sa reading na gagawin natin for tonight. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Ano yung messages sa'yo nung twin flame mo? Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Okay? So, titingnan natin. Sa harapan ninyo, pwede na kayong pumili ng pile na sa tingin ninyo mag-resonate sa inyo. So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Meditate on your pile and piliin ninyo yung pile na sa tingin ninyo tinatawag yung pansin ninyo. This is pile number 1 again and this is pile number 2. So, you may choose your pile and afterwards, we're going to start na sa reading natin. Ano ang messages ni Twin Flame sa'yo? Okay. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin? Ano yung mga hindi niya masabi? Okay. Kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, let's start with pile number 1. Okay. So, kung itong pile number 1 na to ang napili mo, this is your reading. Ano yung messages sa'yo ng twin flame mo? Okay? So, let's see. Dito sa unang card mo, 1111. 1111 is an important number for twin flames. Wow. It symbolizes the harmony and balance of soul counterparts. Para sa mga hindi convinced na yung person na nasa mind nila is kung twin flame ba nila or not. So, this is a confirmation that this person on your mind, person on your heart, is your twin flame with this 1111 or can be your twin flame. Okay? So, ano ba yung another advice for angels, okay, para sa inyo? Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Okay. Alam niyo kanina nung nagsha-shuffle ako nung card, yung naramdaman ko agad, hindi ko sinisilip yung card, guys. Pero yung naramdaman ko agad while shuffling the cards or initial cards for pile number one, makikilala mo yung twin flame mo after your uh, hardest or pinakamasakit na breakup na mararanasan mo. After, okay? After yung breakup na pinakamasasaktan ka. Yes. Honestly, kasi yun yung naramdaman ko kasi talaga. Na for some of you pa, number one, makikilala mo yung twin flame mo or possibly na makakadaupang palad mo yung twin flame mo after ng breakup mo sa ex mo na parang um, hindi yung sobra kang nasaktan dun sa ex na yun. Okay? So let's see. Dito sa iyong heart messages. Embrace. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. Oh. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. So, for some of you, um, I don't know why there is, meron akong nakukuha na parang sobrang, alam mo yung pakiramdam na masakit, yung parang ganon. Sobrang hard, sobrang hard part or sensitive part. Whether this is a person na maghihil sa'yo, kasi meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you pa number one, po pwedeng may pagdadaanan ka na pinaka masakit na relationship. And po pwedeng this twin flame of yours is sa umpisa is friend kayo. Meron ako nakikita ganun. So umpisa friend kayo. Hindi mo siya pinagtutuunan ng pansin. At sa umpisa kasi you are going through a breakup with an ex. Hindi ka pa pwedeng hindi ka pa naka-move on, hindi ka pa yung kumbaga you're still hurting doon sa separation between your ex, okay, and then this person, which is your twin flame. And for some of you, this twin flame of yours, very little chance na yung iba sa inyo is si ex and this twin flame is isa. Yung iba sa inyo small percentage of you, okay, na pumili ng pile number one. Okay, so let's pull a card. The universe answer deck for you, pile number one. Let's get two cards. Yung iba sa inyo may trauma na pinagdaanan. Soon. 'Di ba? Itong soon na 'to, guys, you need to release an ex because soon pupuwedeng you will meet your twin flame. Uy, unknown. Okay. For some of you, hindi mo pa nakikilala 'tong person na 'to and makakadaupang palad mo 'to, okay? And pupuwedeng this person is going through, um, same situation like you, sinaktan din from the past, iniwanan, being cheated on, there is a trauma. Both of you are same page. Same kayo na may pinagdadaanan or going through something. Okay? So, parehas kayo na when you meet yung isa't isa, for some of you, you will find the missing pieces, okay? You will both heal or mag-heal kayo ng same once you meet each other. Pwede nga ano eh, pwedeng hindi mo, pwedeng friend mo muna to na makikilala, nasa talking stage pa lang kayo, and then you are, hanggang sa ma-develop yung connection, pwedeng ganun. Okay, kuha tayo ng 4 cards dito sa ating Light Spears Tarot deck. Strength card, di ba? Leo. This person is hahanga sa'yo kasi alam niya kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo, alam niya yung nangyari sa'yo. Yet you're still standing. Strength card. Yet, you still here, you still, alam mo, hindi mo nakakalimutan ngumiti, hindi mo nakakalimutan maging kind pa rin. Okay? Maging kind sa kapwa mo, sa mga tao, kahit na nasaktan ka, sinaktan ka. Can be a fire sign. This person is a fire sign or you are a fire sign. This is a leader or this person puts you on a pedestal kasi you are a leader, you are a brave woman, okay? Hahangaan ka niya kasi ano ka eh, malakas ka, you have a good heart. Okay. High Priestess. You should clear your energy, guys. Meron akong nakuha na you are a psychic, a healer. Okay, can be a healer with the Strength card and High Priestess. Healer, siguro, mahilig ka sa hayop or animal is lumalapit sa'yo. High priestess, high intuition, can be a water sign. Pisces, okay. High priestess can be unknown, okay. Another message of unknown. You should use your intuition, clear your energy, in order for you to identify or malaman na yung darating na person is your twin flame. And for some of you, alam ninyo kung sino ang twin flame ninyo kasi you feel it. You just need to believe it. King of Pentacles can be an earth sign. Same kayo tinya. Strength card and King of Pentacles, same na merong animal sa gilid. Okay? This person can be older than you. King of Pentacles is a good provider, stable person, can be a businessman, a wealthy man. Okay, matagal na single. Di ba sa inyo matagal na single to? Focus on finances. Nakafocus siya sa finances lang niya. Sa pagtatrabaho. Hindi ba kung pilantropo? This is older than you? Or a old soul? Two of Pentacles. You are indecisive whether this is your twin flame or not. Diba? Soon, if still hindi mo pa nakikita tong person na to, soon, you're going to meet this person or pa pwedeng iba sa inyo is kilala nyo na to. Itong person na ito. Meron ditong gina-juggle can be mag-move on. Meron ako nakikita na ano ang pinakamatinding pagsubok sa inyo para ma-meet ninyo yung twin flame ninyo or yung the one ninyo is an ex from the past. Ha? Kailangan yung kailangan yung makalimutan yon. Kailangan nyo maklear yung energy ninyo in order for this person to arrive. Kasi hindi mag-a-arrive to. Yung iba sa inyo ha, if hindi mo i-clear yung energy mo. Okay? Okay, let's see. Let's use another tarot deck. Meron kang gina-juggle dito Two of Pentacles. O pwedeng torn between two people. O pwedeng ganun Kasi yung iba sa inyo still hold on pa rin sa past. Okay, let's see. Very intuitive kind of a person, very mysterious. This person looks at you na very mysterious sa kanina para sa kanya. So, pwedeng ginajuggle mo tong person na to with your ex. For some of you, ha? Let's see. The Moon again. High Priestess and the Moon. Unknown again. Unknown is Moon. Secrets. Hidden. Tingnan nyo High Priestess. High Priestess is very intuitive person. Right? But if you did not clear or hindi mo lilinisin ang energy mo, block siya. The moon, subconscious, black intuition, right? O pwedeng meron akong nakuha na this person is i-juggle mo. Yun nga, may nakuha ko i-juggle mo siya with person from the past. So, deception secrets Parang ganun O pwede sigurong for some of you is parang nagkakaroon kayo ng illusion na yung twin flame ninyo is yung ex. O pwedeng this person is nakikita nyo na sa panaginip, itong twin flame na ito. Lumalabas na siya sa dream mo. Nakikita mo na siya pero hindi mo pa siya kilala. Pero you sense the familiarity. And soon, this person, para dun sa iba na hindi pa nakikilala tong person na to, is darating na. Let's see. Two of coins again. Two of pentacles and two of coins. Diba? Tingnan mo, another confirmation. Two of pentacles and two of coins is the same card to. Kaso nga lang, different deck siya. You're juggling back and forth whether kasi nga hindi mo siya ma-recognize kasi you are still in an X energy. Ha? You are still in your X energy or your X is still in your energy. This is a quick decision whether to move forward or magi-stay ka lang kung nasa saan ka. Kapag ka hindi, alam mo yun, no? Kapag ka twin flame is once in a lifetime connection. So, kapag halimbawa dumaan siya and you miss your chance, I don't know if there is a chance ulit na dadaan siya ulit sa life mo. Merong nagkakatuluyan na twin flame, merong hindi. So, it's up to you. Page of Swords. Be vigilant. Meron ako na rinig na be vigilant. O pwedeng guarded ka pa dito sa person na to kasi you are still healing from the past connection, past hurt, past betrayal. O, di ba? Autumnal equinox. Prepare for change. This is a quick change. Use, be flexible. Okay, meron akong nakikita dito. Be willing to adapt. Kasi po pwedeng mabilisan lang to na, mabilis lang daraan itong person na to sa life mo for some of you. Instability also here. Be prepared. Be prepared for this person to arrive. Wala akong ibang sabihin kundi be prepared. Kasi, tingnan mo, your angel is asking you to release your ex. King of Swords. Two-person nandito, King of Pentacles, King of Swords, whether sino dito sa dalawang to ang ex. Two-person juggling. Two-person na gina-juggle. Diba? Kasi two of coins, dalawa yan. Two-person na gina-juggle. And meron akong narinig na wag ninyong, alam mo yun, wag na wag ninyong loloko, gagawin na parang ipitin to sa dalawa. Yung parang alam mo yun, yung parang magiging deceptive ka, kasi iniisip mo, kasi normal naman yun sa person na kapag kagaling sa, alam mo yun, sa paghihiwalay o separation, hanap ng kausap, hanap ng someone na, na mapapalipas oras, o pwedeng i-juggle mo tong person na to, okay, without knowing na this is your twin flame. Isa doon sa dalawang person na ginajuggle mo is your twin flame. And kailangan mong i-clear yung mind mo, yung intuition mo, kasi your intuition is sinasabi sa'yo kung sino doon yung dapat mong piliin or dapat mong makasama. Let's see. Ano bang gustong iparamdam nito or sabihin sa ating pile number 1? Gustong sabihin. Inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. O pwedeng magkalayo kayo nitong person na to. Nasa malayo to. Soon na to, soon. Tapos ang time frame dito is a few months. For some of you, yung iba sa inyo, yung ex dito, ayun yung twin flame. Yung iba ha, pero kung pwede nag-entertain na ng iba, kaya may two-person dito. Let's see. Ano gustong sabihin ng twin flame? Pile number. Gustong sabihin ng twin flame ni pile number 1 sa kanya. Gustong sabihin ng twin flame ni pile number 1 sa kanya. Gustong sabihin damage. We are both hurting from this. Space. I need more time to think. Diba? Someone is, alam mo, yung hindi malinaw yung mind. Cluttered yung mind. Nagkakaroon dito ng illusion. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng uncertainty. For some of you, dun sa mga ka-resonate na yung X is the twin flame, someone here is kailangang, alam mo yun, kailangan mo nang i-isolate yung sarili niya, kailangan in a hermit mode para makapag-isip ng maayos. O pwedeng, kung hindi man yung lalaki yung nag-juggle, ay kung hindi man yung babae yung nag-juggle between two person, po pwedeng yung lalaki ang nag-juggle sa dalawang tao. Okay? Or po pwedeng meron na kayong connection ni Twin Flame, kaso nga lang, someone here is hindi pa rin nakaka-move on sa, sa ex. Or same. Same na hindi pa rin makamove on sa past. Reciprocity. I want to have equal give and take. Again, two of pentacles. 'Di ba? Balance. Equal give and take. Kasi tingnan nyo to guys Important number for twin flames. It symbolizes the harmony and balance. Kasi kailangan same kayo. Meron akong narinig or meron akong nakuha na kailangan same kayo ng gusto, same kayo. Kasi twin flame normal yan na usually, same kayo ng pinagdadaanan. You mirror each other. So, if you heal yourself, your twin flame is i-heal yung self din niya. Okay? Para dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Oops! Okay. So, let's see. Let's pull 4. 4 cards pa. Para sa ating pile number 1. Gustong sabihin ng twin flame. Guys syempre, hindi lahat, kasi baka meron kayong ideal guy or ideal type na ini-imagine, okay, or gusto na magiging twin flame ninyo. Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ganun yung mangyayari. Kasi pwedeng this twin flame is opposite of yours. Pwedeng ganun Physically, pwedeng yung talagang the one mo or twin flame na inilaan para sa iyo is pwedeng malayo sa gusto mo or sa ideal guy or woman mo Disagreement. I wish you understood how I feel. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you juggle this person with an ex, and this person is nalaman niya na ginajuggle mo siya with other person. Hindi kayo nagkaroon ng pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to. Okay? Pwedeng nandoon sa sitwasyon na gano'n Indecisive. Again, indecisive. Two of Pentacles. I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. Someone here is juggling between a two person. A two king. Okay? King of Pentacles and King of Swords. Someone here is hindi makapag-decide kung sino dun sa dalawa ang pipiliin. Okay? Pwedeng sa masculine side yun, pwedeng sa feminine side yun. So, vice versa, take of resonate. Miss opportunity, again. I didn't act when I should have. Okay? For some of you, if you're not a feminine, na dumadaan sa ganito, a masculine, juggling to females, so pwedeng ganon. And someone po pwedeng maging missed opportunity kasi hindi niya kinlear yung mind niya, hindi niya ginamit yung intuition niya, hindi niya na-recognize kung sino si twin flame niya. Kasi meron din tinatawag na karmic twin flame or karmic connection. So, ito yung advice ng angels ninyo. Release your ex. Okay? Someone is magiging missed opportunity. O, di ba? Again, Two of Pentacles, confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand. Kasi nga someone is ginajuggle ng other person. Kasi hindi nga makamove on pa. Hindi makamove on sa ex. O pwedeng sinaktan na nung other person itong twin flame niya, inilagay niya sa third party, hindi niya alam na twin flame niya pala yun. Kasi hindi makamove on sa ex eh. Clouded. Yung judgment, yung intuition, hindi niya ma-recognize na this person actually is the right person. Kaya merong miss opportunity dito. Kung hindi i-clear yung mind, hindi ayusin yung sarili, hindi mag-cleanse, magiging miss opportunity yung person na para sa kanya. Whether King of Swords or King of Pentacles. Diba? Kasi, again, this is a pass. Quick. Fast approach, quick approach. Ibig sabihin, biglaan lang to. Okay? Biglaan lang. So, kailangan, you're flexible. Pero, please make sure na totally free ka na, totally clear ka na. Okay? Pag dumating tong person na to. Why? Kasi, pinakita na nga dito na baka dumating na i-juggle mo siya with the past person. Kasi po pwedeng itong past person is kukontakin ka pa. Okay? Po pwede itong nasa past is kukontakin ka pa, hindi ka pa makamove on, i-juggle mo yung person na ito, itong twin flame na to, doon sa ex. Okay? So, let's see. Let's dive deeper. Ano yung messages? So, messages ni twin flame sa ating pile number 1. I'm called to get 8 cards. So, 8 messages for my pile number 1. Two cards na to. 3. Ito na yung pinaka-messages. File number 1 ha. 3, 4, 5. Last 3 cards. 5, 6, 7. Last one. 8. Thank you. 8 messages ni Twin Flame sa ating pile number 1. Ito na yung deeper message na ibibigay niya. Okay? So, nasa sa inyo na lang yung pile number 1. First, will you help me? Aww. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. Embrace. Will you help me? This twin flame can be struggling, or you are the one who is struggling. It's important to being honest. Okay? Next. You light up my world. For those na mag-resonate doon sa energy na ginaggle, someone is juggling two-person, then malalaman nung twin flame or yung real person na ginagal siya at nasaktan tong person na to. Masasaktan mo to ng sobra. Kasi meron ako nakikita na for some of you is binabaliwala mo siya. Walang equal give and take kasi nga someone here is still hindi pa naka-move on sa past. Kaya this person is going through something, tapos gagawin mo pa yun sa kanya, parang sobra naman girl or sobra naman chong, 'di ba? I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. Oh, I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. Kasi nga, meron ako na channel. Um, Once na malaman niya na ginaggle mo siya with someone else, this person is masasaktan ng sobra. Kaya po pwedeng siya yung lumayo. Kaya magiging miss opportunity. Yes. Magiging miss opportunity. Malalayain ka niya. Oh, it's tragic. You know. I know my inability to make a decision hurts you. We are both hurting from this. Ayan na guys, oh. Next. I love you to the moon and back a million times. Oh, this person will sacrifice yung love niya for you. Kapag nalaman niya na you still not move on from the past, you still hurt, o pwedeng this person is a matured person, ha? Again, this is a matured person. Hindi to yung parang immature pa. This person is a mature guy. Can be a Capricorn, Virgo, o Taurus. Magpaparaya siya. Tingnan nyo guys ha, paano ko sinabing paparaya siya? Our love is always there, despite the distance. So, ibig sabihin, kahit na hindi kayo magkasama, kahit na magkalayo kayo, yung love is hindi nawawala. Kasi sabi ko nga guys, meron mga twin flame na they know na twin flame sila, na love nila yung isa't isa. Kaso nga lang, marami kasing challenges kapag ka twin flame journey. So, they know na twin flame sila. Pero dahil sa challenges, obstacle, or any reason, hindi sila magkatuluyan. So, may nangyayaring ganun. They know na twin flame sila. Kaso nga lang, they need to let each other go. Parang ganun. Next. I wish we could be together. Oh! I cannot. Parang ako naiiyak, guys. I wish we could be together forever. Oh. Tingnan mo kaya ang advice sa'yo ng angel, release your ex. Di ba? I wish we could be together forever. Tingnan nyo guys I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. I wish we could be together forever. Gosh. Let's see. Now it's not the time. We are both hurting from this because someone is being indecisive. Someone is alam na na-hurt niya yung other person. Kaso, hindi pa siya makamove on from the past niya. Last two, in-depth or in-deep messages from my pile number one para galing sa kanilang twin flame. Our love is eternal. So kahit separated kayo, kahit na hindi na kayo nag-uusap, kahit na po pwedeng galit ka sa kanya, this person knows that yung love nyo para sa isa't isa is hindi mawawala. Okay? Last messages. Oh, I don't want to wait any longer. Please be mine. For some of you, this person is just waiting for you to make a decision, to heal yourself, to move on from your ex. Okay? And po pwede siguro nag-back off tong person na to kasi alam niya po pwedeng this person is already heal siya sa kanyang past pero ikaw pa number one is not or vice versa. Okay, so take what's resonate. If you're still struggling to move on, to process your emotion, this person, tingnan mo this person is, alam mo yun, parang nasasaktan siya eh. Kaso nga lang, wala naman siya magawa. Through each other, you find the means. Kasi po pwedeng ikaw ang may problema pa number one, po pwedeng siya may problema. So, vice versa, take what's resonate. Okay? Okay, so pan number one, this is your reading para sa twin flame messages na para sa'yo. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo itong reading na ito. So, kung hindi man, ayos lang. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please considering subscribe. Okay? Tap the notification bell para updated ka sa ating bagong upload. Okay? So, maraming salamat pile number 1. I will go to pile number 2 na. Okay? So, thank you so much. So tragic. Okay. Para sa mga pumili ng pile number 2, this is your reading. So, ano yung messages sa'yo ng twin flame mo? Okay? Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? So we are going to use different decks. Pile number 1. So please bear with me kasi I will going to shuffle it para para mas accurate yung reading natin. Ano yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ng twin flame mo, pile number 1? So, disclaimer lang, take what's resonate and leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo, wag ipilit, okay? So, energy is vice versa. Po pwedeng, ikaw yung nababasa natin, po pwedeng yung other person. So, take what's resonate again. Okay. Pile number 2. Baka may messages ka kay pile number 1. Namunti ko nang masabi ang pile number 1. So, I will shuffle muna yung ating deck para tuloy-tuloy yung ating paglapag ng cards later. And then, sa huli, yung ating in-deep messages na gustong sabihin sa'yo ng twin flame mo. Okay? Be open ha, guys. Para, okay. So, let's start. Ano yung nakuha mo para sa ating deck? Telepathic. Close soul connections are harmoniously synchronized, creating moments of telepathy. So, po pwedeng nag-uusap kayo nito telepathically. Okay. Nababasa nyo ang mind ng isa't isa, pumapasok bigla yung name niya sa mind mo, naririnig mo kung saan, okay? You have a closer connection with this person. Ano yung messages ng iyong angel? Okay? Past life relationship. You have known each other before. So, po pwedeng, kaya close yung connection ninyo or nababasa nyo yung isip ng isa't isa. Alam niyo yung iniisip ng isa't isa. Alam niyo kapag malungkot yung other person. Alam niyo kapag may pinagdaraanan. Alam niyo kapag umiiyak. Kasi, meron kayong past life connection nitong person na to. Okay? Okay. Don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. Wow. Ang sabi daw nila, don't make decision dahil sa nagigilty ka lang. O pwedeng may kasalanan ka dito sa person na to. O pwedeng may kasalanan ka sa kanya, may nagawa ka sa kanya. Okay. O pwedeng no communication na kayo nito, pero telepathically is nag-uusap kayo. Can be this person is a friend, an ex-lover. Okay. Let's see. Let's pull 4 cards para sa yung light seers. Don't make decision. Pwedeng para sa iyo to or pwedeng doon sa other person. Based on guilt or what you think you should do. Kailangan maging totoo ka doon sa sarili mo or maging honest ka. Para maging totoo ka muna sa sarili mo para maging honest ka sa iba. That you can be true to others. Wow, interesting. Very interesting. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Let's see. Give me 4 cards for my pile number 2. Page of Cups. Ay? There is someone here na nag-hold ng emotion, hindi nagtatapat ng emotion. Meron dito gustong mag-offer ng love, kaso parang may reason kaya nag-hold back. Hindi nagiging totoo sa sarili. Page of Cups, water sign. Ah, hindi kayo nag-uusap personally pero alam mo na nararamdaman mo kung ano yung nararamdaman ng other person. Kaso nga lang, pwedeng dinideny, pwedeng hindi sinasabi, pwedeng masking emotion. Knight of Wands. Hindi nagtitake ng action. Oh, with the Knight of Wands. There is a meron akong nakita na parang stalemate, stagnant. Both, parehas na nagdi-deny. So, pwedeng Five of Wands is kasi complicated, competition. Argument, there is an argument. Or maraming kailangan pagdaanan na challenges. So, pwedeng someone is gustong mag-offer ng emotion or gustong magtapat sa other person kaso yung other person is parang nagpapakipot or ano ba to? Parang nasa iba ang attention niya. Don't want to take action. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng last card. Last one card for pile number 2. After nito, we will go the universe answer deck. Hindi tayo nakakuha kanina ng dalawa. Okay, so let's get last one card. Last one card. Give me one last card for pile number 2. Last one card for pile number 2. Thank you. Oh, Eight of Pentacles. Busy. Busy sa can be work, can be other things. Stagnant. Yung other person is nagdi-daydream lang, hindi nagte-take ng action. Pwedeng naghihintay lang yung isa, naghihintay ng tamang pagkakataon. Kuha tayo ng answer ng universe for pile number 2. Give me 2 cards for pile number 2, please. 2 cards for pile number... Ay, ang dami. Asked again. Pwedeng for some of you, pwedeng nagtapat ka na dito sa person, nag-try ka nang mag-reach out, kaso parang hindi ka sineryoso. Sabi, ask again. Wow! Good luck. Ask again. Pwedeng, if you're asking to date this person, para mag-coffee kayo, sabi, ask again. Alam mo yon yung parang, ito na nga don't make decision based on guilt or what you think you should do. Diba? Kailangan maging totoo ka sa sarili mo para maging totoo ka sa ibang tao. Okay? So, if you love someone, just tell him or tell her na gusto mo siya. Okay? Can be this is a coworker, pwedeng katrabaho mo. Katrabaho mo tong person na to. Ito nagugustuhan mo. And pwedeng ikaw ay introvert and this is extroverted kind of a person. Yes. Pwedeng nagtatalo sa isip mo kung magtatapat ka ba dito, yayayain mo ba to, kaso baka ma-reject ka. Pwede marami nagkakagusto dito sa person na to. Let's see. Anong gustong sabihin ng iyong twin flame? Waning moon, gaining wisdom. Timing 3 to 4 weeks. O, di ba? You need to plan. Evaluate your plan. And sabi dito, kailangan magkaroon ka ng mahabang pasensya. Okay? Kasi meron ako nakikita po pwedeng baka nag-aalangan ka kasi there's so much work to do para siguro maraming kang pagdadaanan para makausap mo tong person na to kasi po pwedeng this person is workaholic. Pwedeng this is a coworker. Coworker talaga nakikita ko dito. And pwedeng this person is earth sign or fire sign. Ikaw water sign. Temperance is here. Diba? Again, wala akong ibang nakikita dito kundi mahabang pasensya. Sabi asked again, good luck. You have a past life connection dito sa person na to. Kaya itong person na to, alam niya kung ano yung iniisip mo. May telepathic communication kayo nito. Itong twin flame na to. Kung sino man ito. Magician. Diba? Manifesting. You manifest this person. You can be a magician. You're a good manifestor. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng mahabang pasensya. And pwede siguro dito kailangan kasi meron ako nakikita ditong plan. Evaluate your plan. You need to plan how to talk to this person, how to ask this person, paano mo sasabihin sa kanya, paano ka poporma sa kanya. Okay? You need to be true to yourself. Kasi this person knows. Okay? Alam niya kasi meron kayong telepathic communication eh. This person knows kung nagsisinungaling ka or hindi. This person, alam niya. Kailangan mo maging, alam mo yun, yung, meron akong ibang naririnig kundi kailangan mo maging totoo sa sarili mo. Pwedeng dinideny mo kasi. Uy, King of Cups. O, diba? Water sign. King of Cups. You need to master your emotion. O pwede, sigurong you need to balance yourself. Can be a psychic. Okay? Same with this person. You both share past life connection. Uy. Patay ng one card na lang for this deck. Queen of Coins. Again, nasabi ko Earth sign. Huh? With the Eight of Pentacles here. This can be a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. This is a very logical kind of a person, wise. Okay? Kaya alam nito kung nagsisinungaling ka. Detailed person also and grounded. May baka hindi ko organize. O tapos itong person na to, organize siya. Kailangan, you need to plan. You need to plan kung paano mo siya i-approach. Same with Virgos, di ba? Virgos or Libra or anything na very logical mag-isip or very perfectionist, you need to have a plan on how to date them, how to approach. Kailangan tama yung pagpe-present mo ng sarili mo. Kasi alam nila kung sincere ka ba or hindi. Di ba? Don't fake. I don't fake. Kung ano ba, alam mo yun, yung parang be true. Be true na lang. Huwag kang magpapanggap. Huwag kang alam mo yun, magsasabi ng hindi totoo. Kasi this person is very observant. O pwedeng, alam mo, inoobserbahan ka lang niya, tinitingnan niya lang kung paano yung kilos mo, kung paano ka magsalita. And pwedeng matagal ka nang kilala nitong person na to. Let's see. Let's get 8 cards for this deck. Ano gustong sabihin nitong Twin Flame na to sa aking pile number 2? Unappreciated. I felt like you didn't care. O, di ba? O pwede, alam nyo na gusto nyo yung isa't isa. Kaso there is someone here na nag-wear ng mask. Parang pinapakita niya na hindi niya gusto yung other person. Pero yung totoo naman, gusto niya naman niya talaga. Damage. We are both hurting from this because someone is not being truthful. Nagdi-deny ng nararamdaman. Values, di ba? We have too many differences. Okay? O pwede sigurong masyadong na-intimidate yung other person dun sa isang person. Kaya parang, alam mo yon, nag-aalangan siyang lumapit kasi po pwedeng marami nagkakagusto or po pwedeng nawawalan ng confident. Di ba? Kasi dito sa may asked again and good luck, po pwedeng na-reject ka na on the first hand. Kaso, parang natakot ka na ulit na magsabi. Pwedeng na-intimidate ka. Meron ako na-intimidate. Kasi pwedeng wala ka pang masyadong may offer while this person is pwedeng financially independent, good at finances. Let's see. File number 2. Disagreement. I wish you understood how I feel. Diba? Disagreement. I feel na parang, kasi someone is denying. Someone is not being true. True sa sarili. You need to be honest kasi this person knows. Wala akong ibang masasabi kundi this person knows kung masasabi ka ng totoo or genuine yung pinapakita mo. Time. I'm afraid it's too late to take action. Broken. I feel shattered about this situation kasi nga someone is not being truthful. Okay? Pwedeng no communication to. No communication. Hindi nag-uusap. Nag-daydream lang yung other person, stagnant. Reminiscing, I miss our inside joke. So, pwedeng magkaibigan kayo nito. You started as a friend or close kayo nitong person na to. O, diba? Absence. I feel like a part of me is missing without you. O, diba? Kasi nga, pwedeng meron tampuhan. Pwedeng may tampuhan na nangyari dito. Kasi, pwedeng someone is, takot mag-take ng action. Na-intimidate sa other person. Natatakot ulit na ma-reject. Ang totohanan naman, namimiss naman yung other person. Ask again. Hindi mo malalaman kung gaano mo kagusto ang isang tao kapag hindi mo sinubukan ulit. O pwedeng yung non-reject is hindi siya naging totoo sa sarili niya. Nireject niya yung other person pero gusto naman pala niya. So, if it resonate, vice versa, po pwedeng, alam mo yun, pwedeng ganun yung scenario kasi. So, let's get 8 messages. So, ito na yung last in-deep connection, in-deep messages para sa'yo, pile number 2, na gustong sabihin ng yung twin flame. So, 8 cards. We have already 3. Okay. Kuha tayo ng 5 pa. Uy. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2 cards na lang. Okay. Last one. Last one messages ng twin flame ng ating pile number 2 sa kanya. Oh, thank you. So, kung sino man yung naging parang na truthful dito, natatakot na baka too late na to take action, to ask again. Okay? Namimiss niya yung other person. Telepathically, kahit no communication kayo, naririnig niyo yung thoughts ng isa't isa. Alam niyo kung ano yung nararamdaman ng bawat isa. It's very important. Tingnan mo, to make decision based on, to not make decision based on guilt. O, diba? Or what you think you should do. Okay, so, ito na yung in-deep messages ng twin flame mo pile number 2 sa'yo. Ano kayang gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Ano kaya yung gusto niya parating sa'yo? Wala kayo ba nakakita dito? Ask again, no? Ask again. And good luck. There is a big chance na if you ask again, if you approach this person, this time, luck is on your side na kasi good luck. Diba? Pero, kung sa una naging parang not truthful ka sa sarili mo, this time, kailangan mong mag-plan how to approach this person if merong disagreement between the two of you. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba messages? O, diba? You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Right? Kailangan mo ng mahabang pasensya. Again, tingnan nyo guys, patient. Diba? Oh. Patience. Tingnan ninyo. Patience. Para makita ninyo. Other one. Patience. Diba? Next, I've been fighting a battle I can't win. Di ba? I've been fighting a battle I can't win. Disagreements. Kasi nga, someone feel not appreciated. Nga, nawawala na siguro ng pag-asa yung other person. And po pwedeng once na ma-realize mo kung sino man dito yung kailangan mag-take action na kailangan pala kumilos ka na, mamaya baka too late na. I'm just saying. Next, can't you hear me whisper your name? This person is calling your name with the telepathic. Huh? This person always speak your name, calling your name. Kasi, namimiss ka niya. With this missing, reminiscing, I miss our inside jokes. Next, we've been together for lifetimes. Wow, 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 wow. We've been together for lifetimes. I cannot, guys. Past life relationship. You have known each other before. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Nakakatuwa kapag ka, cards are resonating with each other. We've been together for lifetime. You know each other before. Ah, your soul is synchronized with each other. Kilala nyo ang isa't isa. You should be true. Kasi kilala ka nitong person na to. Next. I think about you all the time, reminiscing again. Huh? Reminiscing again and absence. I feel like a part of me is missing without you. Hmm? I need to sort things out first before I can come to you. Someone is planning. I need to sort things out first. Someone ay may kailangan munang ayusin before someone come to you. Whether ikaw yung kailangan kausapin, ikaw ang kailangan um, sabihan, tanungin ulit. This person is planning. Kaso may inaayos pa siya. Okay? Oh, this person loves you so much. File number 2. Past life relationship, guys. You share a past life relationship with this person. O pwedeng wife mo to, the past life, o pwedeng, ano mo yun, this person loves you. Yung sinasabi niya yung telepathically sa'yo. Again, I miss you, but I don't have time right now. Hmm. Again, I miss you. Kaso, ang dami niyang inaasikaso pa. Sinusort pa niya. And tingnan mo, time again. I'm afraid it's too late to take action. Natatakot siya, mamaya baka too late na. Bago niya maayos yung inaayos niya, mamaya too late na. Kaso kailangan niyang ayusin to para maka-move forward siya sa direction mo. File number 2. At kung ano man yun, nasa sayo kung hihintayin mo siya. It's up to you kung hihintayin mo siya or you're moving on with your life. Again, hindi ko sinasabing antayin mo tong person na 'to. Hindi ko sinasabing, um, kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Ikaw pa rin ang masusunod kung anong gusto mong kung anong path yung pipiliin mo. I'm just here to guide you, to give you advices, okay? Basta sabi dito, don't make decision based on guilt or what you think you should do. For it is only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. Okay? So, good luck. Diba? Sabi dito. So, nasa sa inyo kung ano yung magiging decision ninyo. Okay? So, pa number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo itong reading na to. Kung ano yung messages sa'yo ng twin flame mo. Okay? So, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel natin, you may consider subscribing para mas lumaki pa yung community natin. So, you're welcome to comment down below din sa video natin kung resonated sa'yo. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa mga pumili ng file number 2. Welcome ka manood ng file number 1 kasi mamaya baka may messages ka doon. Okay? So, wag pilitin kung hindi resonated sa inyo. Okay? And maraming salamat doon sa mga nagko-comment na resonated sa kanila. I appreciate. Okay? Yung ating nanalo na 4 na free personal reading is until katapusan lang po ng July po pwede po siyang i-claim. After that, mapo-forfeit na po yung free personal reading ninyo. At para sa mga gustong magpa-schedule ng personal reading, meron pong details sa ating sa ating description box kung paano makapag-schedule or kung saan kayo magsisend ng request. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Again, this is Maria, your intuitive reader sa La Luna channel. Maraming salamat and have a good night. Bye!